Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex, and today's word is champion. Champion is a B1 level noun meaning a winner of a competition. We use the word champion to describe someone who has excelled in a contest or a particular field. Think of it as the ultimate victor. Synonyms for champion include victor, like the victor of the race received a gold medal, or winner, as in she is a true winner in everything she does. We can use champion in phrases like, he's a champion athlete. Now, antonyms provide contrasting meanings like loser, such as in the sentence, he felt like a loser after the match, or contender, for example, she was just a contender, not the overall champion. You will hear people using champion all the time. It's a common term when discussing sports. For instance, the team are the reigning champions. Or in everyday life where you might hear, he's a champion at getting things done. It can also describe someone who supports or defends something, like she's a champion of human rights. For example, the chess champion is a master strategist. Or, our school's debate team is the champion of the region. Another usage is she's a champion for the environment. Another example, he is the current world champion in boxing. Remember, champion means a winner of a competition or a supporter. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoy Hello Word, please hit that subscribe button and leave a review. Your support helps other learners find the show, and it means a lot. Also, don't forget to create your own sentence using champion and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to read them.